We only have one Earth, and we're growing as a community and as a nation and as a world.
Moab gets visited by millions of people, so we have the opportunity to lead by example and bring together a community that is thriving.
In Moab, we were the first in the United States to be a green power community. We led the way, and I'm proud of that. That was quite an accomplishment.
Community Rebuilds allows people to get their friends and get community members to help them construct houses. It's a straw bale construction, but they're also really reducing water use and energy use. And it's more efficient. It actually has a higher R value or insulation value than most traditional homes. A third of our housing in Moab is trailers that were built before 1988. So they're very inefficient in terms of heating and cooling. So this is a really nice alternative.
This facility is a state-of-the-art wastewater reclamation facility. It uses smart technology for its control system. We have the ability to reuse our processed water and what that equated to from the old plant where we used chlorine gas, so we weren't able to reclaim that water for processing. In this plant, we incorporated UV disinfection. We have the ability to reuse our processed water throughout the entire plant. So at the old wastewater treatment plant, we were using 2 million gallons per month. We have reduced that amount to 30,000 gallons per month, which is incredible.
A considerable amount of the energy that's consumed by the local government here in Grand County is generated from wind power as well as solar power. So we've led by example, and that's what we've tried to show to the community.
I'd say looking at Moab as being an isolated community and a small community is a short statement. We're actually a worldwide community. We're seeing tourists come in from around the world. So we're meeting those challenges of a high flux tourist base head on. And we're meeting those with great accomplishments. So we're not the tiny little community that's been left behind. We're the little community that's going to lead the way.